This is an Audi RS4 and this is Connor from Kleis Car documenting a Kenwood we've just installed. This has had the DMX8021, the new one, brand new model. It's got USB-C connectivity, it's got half DIN chassis, so it's very shallow mounted, which means it's easier for us to install. We've used a flush fit fascia on this unit. This is the Brodick bracket, which the customer's going to put their own cradle on, so we've just mounted the bracket for now. But this unit is going to offer the customer wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, DAB radio, aerials over there on the left hand side, wait for it to focus, there you go. We fitted the microphone up here in the, wait for it to focus, up the top there. Doesn't infringe on any of the movement of the two sun visors. Most Audis don't even know they had that sun visor. USB is down by the little open trough here underneath the armrest, meaning a little short iPhone lead can be put in there and keeps it all neat. No steering wheel controls on this car because it's an RS4. They don't have multifunction steering wheels, they just have the sport buttons. We've kept all the Bose audio system working in this car, and most importantly, it is reversible. So yes, this is an RS4, yes it's appreciating, yes it has a cult following where everyone comes to keep it original, but why do you want to keep a rubbish Audi radio when you're driving the car? Because when you sell it, you can put all this back to standard and put the original one back in, so you're not, you know, ruining the value of the car. It's down there in the footwell down there, ready to be refitted. So yeah, if you want to reverse the installation, we haven't cut any hole, we haven't cut anything, we haven't drilled any holes. It's fully reversible. But yeah, that's about it for this installation from Kleis Car Audio. As always, my name's Connor, signing off. See you later.